To complete the new security verification, please click the Login button. On the sign-in screen, click Forgot Your Password. Enter your email and select Reset My Password. You'll receive a code by email in just a few seconds. Copy that code, return to Chartnote, and paste it in the verification field. Then create a new secure password and click Change Password. Once your password is updated, you'll see the authentication setup screen. You can choose between two options: SMS, to receive the code by text message, or Authenticator App, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. If you choose Authenticator App, scan the QR code shown on screen, or enter the setup code manually. If you choose SMS, select your country, type your phone number, and wait for the text message with the verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in Chartnote. That's it. Your account is now protected with multi-factor authentication. From now on, every time you sign in, you'll use your password and a verification code for secure access.